Imagine finding a fully functional iPhone 16 buried in a tomb from ancient Egypt. It defies logic. It breaks the timeline. It shouldn't be there. Well, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has just found the cosmic equivalent of that iPhone. Deep in the primordial darkness, just 1.5 billion years after the Big Bang, something is lurking. It's not a chaotic blob of gas, and it's not a messy baby galaxy. It is a perfect, majestic spiral, a mirror image of our own Milky Way, sitting calmly in an era where the universe was supposed to be a burning toddler. They call it Alaknanda, and its very existence suggests that everything we know about how the universe began might be wrong. To understand why astronomers are panicking, we have to look at the rule book, the Standard Model of Cosmology. According to this model, the early universe was a violent, messy place. Think of it like a cosmic mosh pit. Gas clouds were crashing into each other, temperatures were scorching, and gravity was struggling to organize anything. Galaxies back then were supposed to be clumpy, irregular shapes, blobby and chaotic. It takes billions of years, billions, for a galaxy to settle down, cool off, and form the elegant, rotating spiral arms we see today. You don't get a grand design spiral overnight. Yet, Alaknanda is there, fully formed, staring back at us from the dawn of time, mocking our models. Discovered recently by researchers using the JWST's gravitational lensing capabilities near the Pandora cluster, Alaknanda is a beast. It boasts a stellar mass of nearly 10 billion suns. But here is the kicker. Its star formation rate is roughly 60 solar masses per year. That is 30 times faster than our Milky Way today. It is growing at a breakneck speed, yet it maintains a stable, orderly rotation. Usually, rapid growth means chaos, supernovae exploding, gas jets tearing structure apart. But Alaknanda is calm. It has stable spiral arms. It has a mature core. It's like seeing a newborn baby that can already run a marathon and solve calculus equations. It simply does not fit the timeline. And Alaknanda is not alone. It is just the latest captain of a ghost ship fleet. JWST has also spotted the so-called red monsters, ultra-massive galaxies that existed even earlier, some within the first 600 million years. These galaxies are red with dust and packed with more stars than should have been physically possible to create in such a short time. If you do the math, to build these galaxies, they would have needed to convert gas into stars with 100% efficiency from the moment the Big Bang cooled. That is physically impossible. It's like baking a 3-tiered wedding cake in 5 seconds. The ingredients hadn't even been mixed yet, so how is the cake already frosted?
So, how do we fix this broken reality? One leading theory is the direct collapse black hole scenario. Standard physics says stars formed first, died, created black holes, which then merged to form galaxies. A slow, bottom-up process. But what if the universe skipped a step? What if giant clouds of primordial gas collapsed directly into supermassive black holes, skipping the star phase entirely? These heavy seeds would act like cosmic anchors, gravitational monsters that instantly pulled matter together, force-feeding the growth of galaxies like Alaknanda. It suggests the universe didn't grow up slowly. It was born heavy. It was born ready. But there is a more unsettling possibility, one that drifts into the realm of surreal science. In video game development, creators often reuse assets to save processing power. You see the same tree, the same building, or the same sky texture repeated in different levels. Is Alaknanda just a reused asset? The fact that it looks so eerily similar to the Milky Way, yet exists at a time when it shouldn't, feels like a glitch, a procedural generation error. If our universe is a simulation, perhaps the rendering engine prioritized efficiency over chronological accuracy. It placed a finished galaxy in the loading zone. We are looking at the source code, and we found a bug. Whether it's a simulation glitch or new physics, one thing is certain. We are in a cosmology crisis. The James Webb Telescope was built to see the toddler years of the universe, to watch the first clumsy steps of galaxies. Instead, it found adults in the nursery. Scientists are now scrambling to rewrite the history of the universe. Did dark matter behave differently back then? Did gravity work harder? Or is the universe actually twice as old as we think it is? Every new image from deep space is chipping away at the foundation of the Big Bang Theory. The puzzle pieces just don't fit anymore. Alaknanda stands as a silent sentinel from a time that logic says shouldn't exist. It forces us to ask the ultimate question. Do we really understand our origins, or have we just been making up stories to comfort ourselves in the dark? As we peer deeper into the void isn't just staring back. It's changing its shape. Maybe the universe isn't broken. Maybe our imagination was just too small. What do you think? Is Alaknanda a sign of new physics or proof we are living in a construct? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to keep exploring the glitches of reality, hit that subscribe button. The truth is out there, and it's weirder than we thought.